Hi there, it's George here. You know what? I was in Romania to visit capital Bucharest and I wanted to visit botanical garden. I will upload a video then and you will see that video of botanical garden like 20 minutes, like more. And I was posted a short video on my main channel in Romanian. I'm from Republic of Moldova and yeah, a video posted about, I will visit Bucharest Botanical Garden soon, and in the comments someone asked me what time and what hour you will be at the Botanical Garden, and I said time and response to the comment, I come to Botanical Garden and guess what? An 8-year-old boy give me this gift, and it's a plant here. Let's do unboxing and see what is here. Also, he knew that I will come to the botanical garden, and he was with his father, and just we walked a lot in that botanical garden, and it's time for unboxing. Such lovely and kind from that boy, and surprised me, like a tourist or something like that. And just let me show you what is here. Oh my god, this is Gasteria plant. It is like aloe, similar to grow to take care, and produces many babies like aloe plant. Also forgot to mention his name is Matei, that 8-year-old boy who gives me this beautiful plant. I'm growing like aloe plant and loves take care like loves to take care like aloe plant. So happy, and that the family who gives me this beautiful plant, thank you so much, because you show me also a botanical garden, every direction, and every greenhouse there. Also, after we was filming a vlog in the botanical garden, and I was a little bit tired of filming already, because when we do some movies on YouTube and getting tired, and he decided to take us with his car to hotel where I am, and just so kind of him to take with his car, and that's it, and give so beautiful succulent plant which is Gasteria, and beautiful. Also, I will have to show you close up. So arrived home, this plant flight like me as well, and it was on the baggage, and the plant passed it okay. Very happy that arrived in Moldova, in Chisinau, safe, and I will have to take care of this plant very well. Welcome to my family, so beautiful. That's it. Now let me show you close up. Well, here we go. As you can see, such lovely plant, succulent plant, Gasteria, and I will take care like aloe plant, and growing many babies like aloe plant, as I noticed, and I like very much this on the leaves, this points, or I don't know, but so beautiful looks, and these leaves are so beautiful, amazing. I will keep here growing on the windowsill, but then I will have to move it outside. My cacti are outside already, but now it's time to move this, but I let it here to grow, and it's risky outside to not got minus temperatures in the night. Anyway, I am so happy that I bring this plant happy, safe from the airport home. Flight was around one out, but you know, anyway, it's safe and beautiful plant. Happy that is around my plants already. And yeah, also I will take care to water once, and you know, when I will see the potting soil is completely dry, then I will water, and that's it. Also, when I will do repotting, I will have to make another video. Until then, well, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. Thanks to Matej, who gives me this beautiful Gasteria plant. And yeah, also I will make another video update on my plants when they will bloom, new plants, and that's it. And for April, I guess I will make some update. So on this plant I will make updates sometimes. Greetings from Moldova, I will catch you next time and see you. Bye bye.